We're going to talk about congruence. Congruence is the same shape and the same size. So we want to write a congruence statement comparing the corresponding parts in each set. We've done this before. It's very similar to a similarity statement. So these little lines mean that these are congruent. So we've got triangle MNO is congruent. Congruent to triangle STV. So MN is congruent. It has two lines, so it's congruent to ST. Put a line over it, line segment. NO is congruent to VS or SB, and MO is congruent to TV. Now we can do angles. Angle M is congruent to angle T because they both have two lines. Angle N is congruent to angle S, and angle O is congruent to angle V. Okay, now they want us to write a congruent statement and then determine which transformations made it transform from UVWX to HJIK. So first of all, similarity statement. Angle U is congruent to angle H. Angle V is congruent to angle J. Angle W is congruent to angle I. That leaves angle X is congruent to angle H. Then UV is congruent to to HJ. VW is congruent to JI. WX is congruent to IK. And XU is congruent to KH. And then there's more than one answer, but to get from the red figure to the blue one, you could reflect across x-axis and then translate 4 units to the right. And that gets you to the new figure HJIK. So that is showing you that if you, all you have to do is if you translate it and reflect it, it's still going to be a congruent figure. It doesn't change the shape or the size.